Hey guys, welcome back, it's Matt here, and today we're taking a look at some awesome new Apple Watch straps. But first off, these are made by BRG. These ones are super cool, super sporty, and really good if you're going out for the gym, if you're running, you're going outside, they're really durable. So basically, if you have leather watch straps or you have a premium watch strap, then you're going to want to replace that with one of these bad boys, because this one will actually be very durable in the gym. It's got really nice color to it, it looks more sporty, will go more with your casual wear. And you want to save the nice premium ones for when you're going out for a nice dinner or a party or something like that. But these ones start out at $10, really cheap. They have a really good build, the material is silicone. It's got that soft touch feel like the Apple ones. It comes in a variety of colors. They're really snug fit in the slot, they're not wobbly, and you have a lot of different holes in the strap, so it gives you a lot of adjustments depending on which size your wrist is. But if you're not happy with the adjustability of this, you can easily go ahead and pick up a small, medium, or large one of these, depending on your wrist size. Now they come in different variants, so you have the 38mm version as well as the 42mm version. And I'm going to go through some of the color choices. So the first one is red and black. So I love red and black. This one kind of looks like MKBHD's. I just got a couple of colors and I thought I'd mix and match them, but red and black is really cool. So yellow and black would also be pretty good, but you could easily go ahead and pick up two of these and just make your own color combination. So as you can see at the top here, they have a perfect cutout for your Apple Watch. It will easily slide in and lock into place. There's really no overhang, even though this is made of silicone. It's a really nice premium feel, and there isn't like an edge which is joined together. It really does feel like one solid piece, so it's not like two pieces stuck together. But they come in different lengths, like I said before, so you're going to want to make sure you get the right one before you actually go ahead and order this. But it's really nice. If someone just handed me this on the street, I wouldn't assume it was a third-party strap. I would actually think it's the strap that comes with the Apple sports watch. It really does feel like that. But obviously this is the Hermes edition, so you're going to want to question whether you want to put on such a cheap strap onto such an expensive watch. But definitely for the regular Apple Watch series, as well as the sports watch, this is definitely a great option for just daily use, or if you're going to the gym, like I said, or you're doing sports. This strap comes in a yellow and black color, similar to the Nike edition that comes with the sports watch. But it really does complement the watch, especially if you have the sports watch face on, so you can actually track your activities. It really looks great with the yellow strap. So they come in different colors, so the yellow, red, and gray. So BRG actually also makes some armor for the Apple Watch, so it's kind of like this rubber case that goes onto it. So they do different styles and different colors, but if you have the stainless steel watch and maybe you're going to the gym, you don't want to hit it off of loads of things and damage it, then you're going to want to pick one of these up. So if you buy one of the sports band like I showed earlier, the black ones with the second color, then it will actually come with one of these armors with the strap. And they actually match, so they have the gray lining, they also have the red and the yellow. So if you're buying one of the straps before, it will come with this and you can wear both. And it looks pretty good, it protects your watch. And you can easily go ahead and take it off after the gym. They're really easy to slip on and off. But they do just give you that little bit of protection, especially to the prone scratching on the stainless steel model. But anyway guys, I just wanted to show you some really sick straps for a low price of $10 for your Apple Watches. So if you want a little bit of customization, these are definitely the way to go, and the links will be in the description. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles,